Today, look at the time. It's 8:25. Look, it's 8:25 a.m. So, it's gonna be 8:30 now. I'm so excited. We're gonna put some stuff there on the ref. Do you wanna see it? What's inside there? Okay, let's go.
Papatungan ng bibili tayo ng iyon.
We're here.
Pagigat magiging.
Ay, sa ilalim. Oo. Okay, yung plastic dyan.
See? There's someone put a cup and a piece of egg and a juice there and a Dutch real IQ bar. I don't know who put
Sabi na kasi,
there.
maka 6 months, makalahati
So,
na doon tayo
fast.
nabili sa kanya. Pwede
Do you wanna see the ice cube? It's gonna freeze now. But it's on the freezer yet. Do not open it. Let's wait. Is it? Look, it's going to be 8:30 a.m. now. See?
Ano yung pinapakuha mo?
Do you see it or not see it? See, it's gonna be 8:30 now. So excited. Okay, let's wait for 8:30 with okay, I'll go. Huh? It's 8:30 so fast. But I need to stop. A girl saying, dream a good dream. Oh, yay! It's 8:30 now. Look at the time. See? Doesn't it feel great?
Oh. Ito na yung mga kulay, oh. Diba ang tawag mo yan ito? Ito tapos.
So excited, Mom, it's 8:30 now.
O, ano gagawin mo? Teka lang, inaalis ko muna. Ito, lalagyan mo.
See? Mom put some filter. Okay. Our Condura ref is not empty yet. Sorry. But it's not empty.
So, makakalis space ba?
Look, left hand.
Ha? Pangit.
Left hand.
Pangit.
I didn't never taste this. This is the ice tea or something. Look at my beautiful straw for my peach.
Pang bumili ng ganyan sito. Dalawang mahaba.
See, it's Coca-Cola. It's vanilla. I love. I love
Nakabili na tayo
it.
nung
We're trying that.
dining chair.
Flavors. Flavors. Coca-Cola
May
flavors.
ref.
Really, really. What is it guys here for?
Dasha naman, anong ginagawa mo?
Waiting.
Halika na.
Okay, let's put some stuff here. Look at mommy. She's in first.
Oh, paano mo? Abot mo ba?
Uh-oh.
Ay, may malalaki.
Okay, let's put.
Gusto mo i-harap sa'yo yung camera.
Okay.
Ulitin mo ang video mo.
Okay, guys.